Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best shade cord is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked components in creating a comfortable and functional living space, offering a seamless blend of style and practicality that can dramatically enhance the ambience of any room. Whether you're looking to control natural light, ensure privacy, or simply add a touch of elegance to your window treatments, the right shade cord plays a crucial role in the overall aesthetic and user experience of your blinds or curtains. This review will delve into the top contenders, helping you navigate the market to find the perfect solution that aligns with your home decor and functional needs. Number 5. HESTYA 55 yards braided lift shade cord. Introducing our durable braided shade cord, perfect for your blinds and shades. It's designed for longevity and a clean look. This comes with ample cord and decorative pendants, making it easy to repair or replace your existing shade cords. Get your blinds looking new again. With a thickness of 1.8 millimeters and a weight capacity of up to 70 kilograms, this cord is built to last. You can trust its strength for various applications. Crafted from durable nylon, it resists fading and fraying. The included wooden pendants are also made to last, ensuring a beautiful finish. Beyond blinds, this versatile cord is ideal for Roman shades, aluminum blinds, and even decorative uses like ceiling fan poles or light decorations. Its multifunctional design makes it perfect for various projects, including plant bundling, outdoor gear, crafting, and beading. Unleash your creativity with this useful cord. What we like? This cord offers exceptional durability with its braided nylon construction and a high weight capacity. It also comes with decorative wood pendants, making it a complete package for repairs. If you are looking for a robust and aesthetically pleasing solution for heavier blinds or outdoor applications, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The shade cord is durable and has held up well over time. It's easy to install and adjust, making it a convenient choice for most window shades. The cord is made of a strong material that doesn't fray easily, ensuring a long lifespan. Number 4. 100 yards white lift shade cord 0.9 millimeters. Introducing our ultra-thin shade cord, measuring just 0.9 millimeters in diameter. This flexible cord is designed for applications where a thin, manageable line is essential, not a bulky rope. This durable polyester cord comes neatly wound on a spool, making it easy to dispense and store. It offers a tensile strength of 35 pounds, perfect for light-duty tasks. It's the perfect choice for wider vinyl blinds, Roman shades, and even small aluminum blinds. Use it for vertical lift, alignment, and positioning in your light-duty blind systems. Beyond window treatments, this cord is also great for gardening, crafting, and gift wrapping. It's ideal for any DIY project needing an ultra-thin, flexible cord. Please note, this cord is intended for light-duty applications only. It is not suitable for heavy wooden blinds or high-tension load-bearing uses. What we like? This cord is designed for applications where a very thin and flexible cord is essential. It comes conveniently on a spool for easy handling and storage. If you have light-duty blinds, such as sheer Roman shades or narrow aluminum blinds, and need a discrete control cord, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The shade cord is made of durable material that has held up well over time. It is easy to install and adjust, making it a convenient solution for operating shades. The cord has a smooth texture and does not fray, ensuring a long lifespan. Number 3. White roller blind chain cord repair kit. This is a 10-meter white plastic bead chain, perfect for replacing worn-out cords on your roller, vertical, honeycomb, or Venetian blinds. It's designed for durability and ease of use. Included are 10 connectors to make installation a breeze. Simply attach the new chain and connectors to repair or refresh your window coverings quickly. With a bead diameter of 4.5 millimeters and a cord diameter of 1.8 millimeters, this chain is the ideal size for most standard blinds. The spacing between beads ensures smooth operation. You get a generous 10 meters of chain, which is enough to service up to 3 blinds if each requires approximately 3 meters. This provides excellent value and convenience. Crafted from high-quality white plastic, this bead chain and its connectors are built to last. They offer a clean, classic look that complements any decor. This package provides everything you need for blind repair: 10 meters of white plastic bead chain and 10 matching connectors. It's a complete solution for your blind maintenance needs. What we like. This option provides a bead chain style cord, which is common for roller and vertical blinds. It conveniently includes connectors for easy installation and repair. If you need to replace the cord on roller, vertical, or honeycomb blinds and prefer the bead chain mechanism, this 10-meter length is ideal for multiple blinds. What people say. The shade cord is made of durable material that has held up well over time. It's easy to install and adjust, making it a convenient solution for operating blinds. The cord has a smooth texture and doesn't fray, which is great for longevity. Number 2. SAYAYA 1.8mm Braided Nylon Lift Shade Cord Kit. This is a complete kit designed for all your blind repair needs. It includes a generous amount of cord and decorative wood pendants, perfect for fixing blinds, Roman shades, or any DIY project. Crafted from heavy-duty 1.8mm braided nylon, this cord is built to last. It can support up to 150 pounds and is resistant to fading, ensuring durability for your repairs and projects. Get your blinds looking like new in no time. The included wood pendants are pre-cut and ready to attach, making cord replacement simple and tool-free for various types of blinds and fan poles. Beyond just blind repairs, this versatile kit is perfect for more. Use it to mend Roman shades, aluminum blinds, or even as a decorative touch for ceiling fans and lighting. This isn't just for repairs, it's a gateway to your next DIY adventure. Let your imagination run wild with endless possibilities for crafting, building plant supports, or bundling gear. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit that includes a very generous length of heavy-duty braided nylon cord along with smooth wood pendants. It's designed for easy installation without tools. If you're undertaking multiple blind repairs or DIY projects and want a complete, high-strength solution, this kit offers great value and convenience. What people say. The shade cord is made of durable material that has held up well over time. The cord is easy to install and adjust, making it a convenient solution for operating shades. The design of the cord allows for smooth and quiet operation of the shades. Number 1. Outus 1.4mm Braided Blind Replacement String. Introducing our high-quality braided lift cord, perfect for your blind replacements. It's 1.4mm wide and comes in a generous 109-yard roll. This cord is built to last, capable of supporting up to 120 pounds. Please ensure you use it within its weight-bearing limits for optimal performance. Crafted from durable nylon, it resists fading and fraying, ensuring a long-lasting solution for your shades, blinds, and louvers. Its braided construction reduces friction and resists deterioration from sunlight. Enjoy long-lasting performance and easy replacement for your window treatments. This versatile cord isn't just for blinds, it's also ideal for plant bundling, crafting, beading, and even outdoor gear making. Easily repair your Roman shades or aluminum blinds with this reliable lift cord. It's also great for ceiling fans or light strings. What we like. This cord boasts a braided nylon construction that is specifically designed to resist deterioration from sunlight, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its reduced friction design contributes to its durability. If your blinds are exposed to sunlight or you need a reliable cord that won't easily fray or fade, this is a solid choice for repairs and various craft projects. What people say. The shade cord is made of durable material that has held up well over time. The design of the cord allows for smooth and easy operation of the shades. It effectively secures the shade in place, preventing it from falling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.